Hi, my name is Melanie Rose and welcome to my website, Cooking with M. It's named Cooking with M because my children call me M instead of Mom, and so I thought that was fun. This is a picture of my grandma and grandpa on their wedding day. My grandma's the one who taught me how to cook and gave me a love of cooking and baking, and I wanted this website to be all of my family's recipes that bring us joy. When I'm feeling sad or having a bad day, all I have to do is make a batch of my grandma's rolls and it instantly makes me feel better. So here's some pictures of some of my recipes. I also have a blog on my website. The blog right now only has 2 posts, but they're recipes that my family loves and why we love them and how they came about. The recipes page shows what's on the blog so that if you just want the recipes, you can get them there. My contact page has where you can contact me or send a recipe or whatever you want to do. My store only has 3 items in it, and they're all recipes that I love. My Aunt Pauline's chocolate cake is always a favorite. My grandma's bread recipe. I begged her for that recipe and she told me she didn't have one, and one day it showed up in the mail and she's passed away since then, so that's one of my most treasured possessions. And the peanut butter cookies are really the best cookies ever, so I'll have to put those on the blog. The thing that I learned the most this semester was how to use WordPress. I've never really built a website in WordPress before. I've never worked with WordPress except for other classes to do a blog, but that was nothing like what we did this semester. So I really learned a lot, and I really enjoyed learning about the Divi theme. The hardest thing for me building this website was these pictures on the homepage and the blog page. I couldn't figure out how to take the picture out of the original template that I used, and so it was really difficult to change that picture. Other than that, I really enjoyed making this website, and I hope that you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for watching.